Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use TikTok text to speech. If you're using TikTok and you want to use TikTok text to speech features, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just start recording a video, or you can also try to upload that. Just tap on this plus option, and here you can also record a video, or you can use this your album to upload the videos. Once you have recorded or uploaded a video here, you just have to release that. Once you have done this, have this done option here. Now on this screen you just have to try to add text by typing on this text option here, and now you have to add a text. Let's say I'm gonna add this one. Once I've added the text, just tap on this done option here. You can do more editing in your text, but you just have to tap on it and you'll get the option of text to speech. Just select that option, and once I have selected, it will automatically be converted into a speech. So in this way you can easily use text to speech on your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.